Prof, simulan na natin doon sa pinag-uusapan namin kanina ni na Jovi at saka ni Chiki. Paano ba natin dapat basahin tong diskarte bang matatawag ng mga Duterte? Kasi nga parang nakakalimutan natin yung totoong kaso eh.
Oo, ang pinag-uusapan tuloy natin, family dynamics.
May lumabas pang picture. Magkakasama yung apat na magkakapatid.
Halata mo talaga scripted. Merong nagdidirehe. Gusto nilang alisin. Tama kayo, gusto nilang alisin ang focus dun sa kaso. At kung nila mag-focus sa pamilya nga nagkakaisa, at the same time may intriga, nagbabangayan, naghihiwalayan. In fact, yung kanilang mga supporters, ganoon din. Ang mga pro-Duterte vloggers, nag-aaway din sila, hati din. So, they are creating noise. The question is, will it work? Because you have to understand that in the case of the Philippines, we might be influenced, but the ICC is not influenced by that. The court that is going to decide is the International Criminal Court, and they don't simply give a care about those dramatics. Yun yung point.
So kung alam naman ng lahat, Prof, no, na yun nga, the ICC doesn't give a care, sabi mo, about all these dramatics, bakit pa nila gagawin ito?
Because the audience is back here. You have to understand that Sara Duterte has an impeachment case to face. So, and they want to also win
there's 2020. Also, there's 2028.
And there's also 2028. They want to keep, alam mo naman, hindi naman, maaaring sa isang punto, merong pananaw na maaaring ginagamit na nilang props na lang ang tatay nila to advance their own political interests. That, he's going to be a good display, a good exhibit, a good point to rally around to create a narrative here back home.
Oo.
Diba?
So,
yun yung gagamitin nila. They don't really... Sa tingin ko, mas maganda pa nga sa kanila, may mangyari sa tatay nila eh.
What do you mean? Mas maganda sila in terms of their sa political career?
Yeah, of course you could just imagine what would be the effect if, for example, God forbid, the former president something happen to him in jail, or his health gives up. It's going to be dramatics, optics.